Hey everyone, curious minds. Have you ever wondered how a massive oil tanker, weighing as much as several tall buildings and carrying tons of oil, manages to float on water without sinking? How is it possible for such an enormous weight to stay afloat? Today, we're going to uncover this big secret. A secret from the heart of science, Archimedes' principle. The whole story goes back to a very old and cool discovery called Archimedes' principle. Archimedes was a super smart Greek scientist who discovered this secret many years ago. His principle states, when an object is placed in water or any other fluid, the water exerts an upward force on that object, which is exactly equal to the weight of the water displaced by that object. Okay, what does this mean? Let's make it simpler. Imagine you have a small toy boat. When you place it in water, a certain amount of water moves aside, is displaced. The water beneath the boat applies an upward pushing force that keeps the boat afloat. As long as the boat's weight is less than the weight of the water it has displaced, the boat won't sink. Now, let's get back to those enormous oil tankers. When these ships are placed on water, they displace a huge amount of water. This displacement of water creates a large and powerful upward force from the water acting on the ship. Ship engineers design oil tankers in such a way that they displace a very large volume of water. The key point is this: if the upward force, which is the same as the weight of the displaced water, is greater than the ship's weight, the ship will float and even sit slightly higher on the water. If the upward force is equal to the ship's weight, the ship will float in equilibrium. And if the upward force is less than the ship's weight, the ship will sink. Oil tankers are designed so that even when fully loaded with oil, the weight of the water displaced by their submerged part is still greater than, or at least equal to, the total weight of the ship. This is why, despite their incredible weight, they proudly float on water and deliver their cargo to its destination. So you see, the secret to these iron giants not sinking in the sea is a simple yet powerful scientific principle: Archimedes' principle. Science is truly amazing, isn't it? Until another scientific discovery, goodbye.